Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Technical Tuesday. This is going to be a short one. Same story as Monday. Really have been kind of asleep at the switch here for this week. Starting tomorrow, which is Wednesday, we're going to get galvanized. We're going to hop right back in the saddle. We're going to go harder. We're going to get back that momentum that we lost. And I think actually this is a good opportunity. I'm going to think about some motivational content. I think Wednesday, Wildcard Wednesday, I'm going to make a video about motivation and how you face hardship, because this past week has been not really hardship in the sense of extenuating circumstances that I can't control, that I really have no ability to influence my will on. But just when things don't go normally, and stuff pops up here and there, and learning to be more proactive as soon as you know that something's going to disrupt the schedule, really proactively going into Google Calendar, going into your agenda, whatever mechanism you have for staying organized, going into that, and making sure that you plan out how you're going to navigate that uncharted territory, right? And so that, maybe you need a compromise, maybe you can't dedicate, the full hour, 2 hours, whatever you've allocated for your tasks. But at least so that you can kind of compromise and make a little bit of progress on all the fronts that you want to. So I think, yeah, today, didn't do much, didn't really do anything other than go to the gym, wake up, do my run, which I didn't even do on Monday, right? I just, all I did was go to the gym Monday. So slowly but surely, we're getting back on schedule. It's slower than I would like, and I'm, not trying to make excuses. Well, I guess this is making an excuse. So yeah, no excuses. Just we missed the mark. We've accepted that. I have thought about ways that I can perform better and adapt. And I think I'm going to share some of those tomorrow with you guys, and just kind of give you some motivation for achieving whatever individual goals you guys have. Your goals may not align perfectly with everything that I'm kind of focused on working on right now, but I think a lot of the sentiment should kind of stay the same, and may be valuable, both for your own reference, and when I'm running into stuff, I can always go back and look at motivational content, to kind of light that switch, and hit that trigger. So thanks again for tuning in. Sorry to drop the ball. We're going to keep things rolling. We're going to go back harder. So stay tuned. As always, let me know in the comments what you guys think. Yeah, and stay juicy.